just went through.
Magpie.
I got a thing. We're doing an overflow bottle today.
What are we doing?
Overflow bottle.
So this one, which was QC passed
From China.
from
eBay China.
China, is it no good, huh?
Is it not good?
Oh.
Yeah, spider eggs.
Mm.
You can a spider. Yuck. Probably get a 10 mil because that's the tool I need. I've still got your tools.
I thought so. Kit.
Can I have the keys?
Yep, no luck.
I don't have any luck with the ladies. This is gonna spew everywhere. So cool. What the hell?
Oh, there it is. Just having a leak. Why are you changing this one?
Because it would leak from here, right? I had to try put silicone in there, but then like it's all
Silicone.
it's all broken. Like it wouldn't seal up.
Yeah. Well, that's pretty.
The silicone's actually holding it in now.
Oh.
Okay. The thing is though, it's got this, which
What is it?
I would say that goes on a. It's got a nipple, so I would say that goes on a mount somewhere.
There.
Yeah, but
It's just probably. What happened? Mosquitoes. That's probably just like a guide hole.
oh, fuck! Look at that. That's good. That's nice.
GK Tech coming in with the goods.
There.
There. Here.
I don't like your tone with me, Joe. Anyway, I'm gonna chop this.
Oh, he's chopping it. They don't chop very well. Oh, he's chopped it.
Good enough.
The other problem with us filming in the daytime here is
You can see all my acne in person.
there's that. There is that. The planes. The planes love a good fly over this house.
There's planes at night too.
Yeah, but they're not as frequent. But we just heard about 3 in the space of like 10 minutes.
Look, I should probably get another extension for this. I just went through. I'm back. I got the tool,
He's got his tool.
but it's not the right one.
Oh.
I might have to go do it again.
Yeah, come over. Yeah, so here it is, the old Genzai. We'll do a proper video soon of it. It was nice weather this morning. Of course, takes car out for 1 day a week. Rains. So how much was your GK Tech overflow bottle?
I think $50.
$50.
I think so. 49, I think.
It's great for if anyone wants to do an OEM replacement to keep their car looking factory
Well,
OEM.
I feel like this is better than the OEM replacement. It feels thicker.
It does too, yeah.
It's actually heavy.
Yeah, very much more durable plastic.
My nose is like running. It's really disgusting. I'm gonna have to go. Hold on. You don't want to see this part. No, don't.
Chucking a Richards Kid area, are we?
I'm just doing my drug deals.
The beer's about to explode.
The beers in the freezer. It's gonna explode.
Yeah, that's the one. Standard Richard. What'd you say, mate? What'd you just say?
It doesn't need an extension.
Oh no, well, seems like you need to go put that back in the garage.
Alright, I'll go back the same way I came. You.
I'm on the way.
Bullshit.
I'm on the way. I'm just currently in driver getting food.
Wee.
If you came earlier, you could have had pizza.
Alright, so what's the next item on the agenda?
Power steering pump.
Power steering pump. Okay, run us through. We like to give factual information.
I blew up my power steering pump.
Oh no.
I'll have to change it.
Again.
And I have to take this out. This out. Yeah, that's it. That's all I have to
Oh,
do.
so we're gonna...
That's it.
Wait, so...
Oh, and that. And the power steering pump. Now, I know you're sick, but are you gonna go out again? Yeah, man, I am gonna go out. But what if I told you about going out on a Friday night? I don't remember, man. I don't remember about you saying anything. I'm just coming in my own spew. Big explosion. Oh, that wasn't that
A
bad.
bit excited.
Stay away from my cockatoo, mate.
Like, just keeps going on marathons. Like, he has to go get a tool. You don't see him for like another 20 minutes. Like, it's that far to go. He's got a cart. Why doesn't he just bring the cart? But nah, he has to go back, forth, fucking up, down, left, right.
Are you talking shit?
Look, do you know how long I've been waiting for him? It stopped raining.
But I'm doing the editing in this video.
You'll see all. Oh, perfect.
Yeah?
Alright, so we went through a few different options here. And I think we have the solution.
Fuck, we're gonna do this. No, I won't.
It's the old 24mm spanner. And then Alexander's using the old leverage trick.
Oh my fucking!
Look at that. What a nice sunset.
There's always been really nice sunsets lately. Fuck's sake. I've not taken the shroud out. I will win. I need you to put pressure here. Can you put pressure there? Push that. You're saying talking about that shot fight, that guy from before? Yeah.
You know, all you can see is a hairy arm.
Yes! I beat the shroud. I beat the shroud.
Da-na-na-na-na.
I
Dun,
beat
dun,
the
dun,
shroud.
dun.
I
Dun,
beat
dun, dun,
the
dun. Is that a Muzz?
shroud.
Da-na-na-na-na. He's got a strobe. Hey, finally. Thought you got lost.
Yeah, I did.
You thought you got abducted
in the fucking Big Mac, mate.
in the Big Mac.
Fucking Big Mac. Hello. How you guys, sir?
How are we?
Hello.
Hola, senor.
Hello, cousin.
Fucking, what's the go here, mate? What are we doing?
Power steering pump, mate.
Did you already pull it out?
No,
No,
I'm taking
she there.
Oh, you mean the supercharger?
Yes, this one here is do the
Super.
is do the spins, you know?
Yes.
Yes.
It's a water cool too, yeah?
Yes.
Fuck.
I like talking shit.
Yeah, I know you do. Just like a
Oh, I thought that was just normal conversation
Settle
for you.
down. Jesus Christ. Settle down.
Oh. Bush
Where she
mechanic.
goes?
Oh, I just crushed my finger.
That does happen. And look at that. We have one exited. Oh. Power steering pump. Oh.
I'll tell you a fact about transmission
on the
fluid
thing.
and power steering
Yeah.
fluid.
Yeah.
It's actually a detergent. You can use it to clean the floors.
So now you're going to have really clean bricks in that one section.
F52F000. Yes, same pump. All right, cool. Hopefully it works. I need to move that to there. And
What are they, Allen
into
keys?
this- Yeah. Oh, the torque bit.
Yeah.
14. We're getting there, boys. My ratchet.
You are a ratchet.
Hey,
You are ratchet.
Russian Clank.
how was your day today, Eric?
You know what? Surprisingly very well. You even have one of those.
I do.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Okay, he's gone to get the
At least he
ratchet.
has one tool that he uses.
Come with me, Eric. I
Did-
need your phone light.
Okay,
Let's go.
just discovered Alex actually has a proper torch. I'm liking the avocado socks there.
Thanks, mate.
Look at that. The old guac. Huh?
Proper avo.
Proper av.
Guacamole.
The old guac.
Yeah. The Guzman
Guac in a sock.
Guac in a sock. Go. That's not that bad.
Ah, that was pretty smooth.
It's alright.
Another plane.
Oh, it sounds The blade.
Plane, man.
That's it, we got it. Fuck yeah.
Don't know if I got that on the films.
Thanks, Eric.
We just drove 20 minutes away to go pick up
Was that long?
The talk's bit.
just a Torx bit. But hey, in that 20 minutes, we could have saved that 20 minutes of trying to get it before. All that
true.
yelling and arguing.
and walking back and forth
Back
into
and
the garage.
Yeah.
It's a long walk.
Ciao. Ciao. Take it easy. Ciao. Make sure you eat food tonight, okay? Ciao.
There's so many bugs. I think they can smell my ass.
What do we got over here?
Yay!
Congratulations. Yes, this one too. Oh, dildo strap it.
So this
Oh, it is.
has got to go there. And then I've got...
Yes, keep explaining.
No.
Digging deep.
Yeah, I dropped that before.
The washer. Don't forget the washer. What do you got there? Do you want to explain?
This is a supercharger. This was off the 1948 Holden Bing Bong Chaser.
Bing bong bing bing chaser.
Come on,
you know what's wrong when it's tight.
bastard. Hey, no, it's not wrong. I just remember this
No,
being
you
a
don't.
bitch.
No, that's not what I'm trying to say. I'm not talking about a power steering, mate.
Why would you say it's wrong? It's meant to be right when it's tight. Pause that video for a second.
Bro, how do you know how to do that with your fingers?
Well, when I was a kid, right,
Yeah.
my mum put me in to be an altar boy,
Okay.
and then the priest would take me into the back of the church,
Right.
and he would say it's a sin if you told.
Oh,
So I can't tell you.
you can't tell me? Oh. Oh, he's got the fucking double-handed technique.
There was two altar boys.
It's a plane.
Canyonero.
Yeah.
My fingers are so fucking slippery.
Oh, yeah? What that dog doing?
Filming my ass. Alright, it's in.
No.
It's in. It's in. Not there. Wait, wash up. Now not. Okay, I need to stand up because my fucking legs. Oh, fuck. Oh, I hate power steering, man. I fucking hate it so much.
You should be a pro at this
Bro,
point.
I've done it so many times in
Yeah.
this car. And turbos.
At that point, I think I'll just fucking burn the car. I'll just fucking burn it.
Action hero. Canyonero.
Alright, let's go. Keep it going. Keep it going. Alright, one more. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. It's like after a big night. It's like, yeah, you know what? Just drink up, you know. I'll just hydrate.
Leave the nipple alone. Just
Yeah,
put
yeah.
your finger here so it doesn't fall.
Oh, yes, I'll hold it right there. Okay.
That's already bled.
Yeah? Yeah, it's full. It's getting dirtier.
What are we doing, man?
Gonna get some fucking food, take some photos quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah, get some Eljana.
Job well done.
You done did it.
Let's go eat.